something that really gets my goat. Why can't people just close the tap when they finished at campsites? I see it at every single campsite I get to. Busy editing the next video, and outside looks like there's a big storm coming. Good morning, Sunday morning. Weather predictions said it was going to be thunderstorms all night last night. It only rained hard for about an hour and then it stopped raining completely. No rain during the night. But 100% overcast this morning. It started drizzling as I started getting ready to go. Time to move on again. Yeah, I don't know, something went wrong with my gimbal this morning, so this video might be a little bit shaky. My gimbal packed up, or it needs a reset, but can't find anything on YouTube. But we'll get there. Yeah, so I'm going to move on and go to another campsite. So we'll chat later. Cheers. Just arrived at Scottborough Caravan Park. Fine drizzle. Park is pretty busy. But what a lovely sight. Back on my usual spot. high tide now. Rode off for 6 in the afternoon. Been fine, drizzle most afternoon. And there's a bit of a wind blowing now. But nothing beats camping. Monday just after lunchtime, and there must have been big rain somewhere inland with all the brown water in the sea. Sea is pretty rough and the wind is blowing pretty rough. Now looking at the sea, it looks pretty calm. Don't know what today is going to bring. Don't trust the weather forecast. Every day so far the weather forecast has been wrong. So let's see what today brings. Move to a different side just to get a bit of a different view. Small aircraft just came past. Can't believe how low he was. I judge by flying the drone, looking at it. I can't believe it was 30 meters. He was like right down here, flying past. I'm doing a time lapse at the moment. Hopefully I got a shot of him going past on the time lapse, but like really, just yeah, right here he came past. Good morning. Weather prediction: 74% chance of thunder showers at 5 o'clock. I'll go and see that happening. Wednesday morning, time to go to a different spot again. Go a bit more towards home. See what it's like up there. The weather turned out pretty good today. According to the weather prediction, it was going to be thunder showers this morning and raining today. But at the moment it's sunny, hardly any clouds in the sky, just beautiful weather. Chat later. I just got to my new venue, different place, a bit closer to home, Carradine. And guess what? When I get here, and the tap right by my side is dripping. Hotel, by the hotel, lots of cars, lots of people there, some function going on there. And this side, quite a few vans, a lot more than when I was here last time. What a change in weather. All clouded over and pretty windy at the moment. A whole troop of monkeys are moving through the camp and upsetting everybody, and they're opening all the rubbish bags. What a problem. Monkeys wedding. And not the monkeys playing in the tree there. It's actually raining. And the sun is shining bright. Load shedding just started. And then electricity again. They've got a generator. What a pleasure.